A Republican lawmaker in Kansas is apologizing for co-sponsoring an anti-LGBTQ bill after his daughter chastised him in a public letter. Ron Hyland was one of the sponsors of the Marriage and Constitution Restoration Act. The act condemns what it calls parity marriages, those that are not between a man and a woman. It also aims to get rid of protections for the LGBTQ community. Crystal Hyland, his daughter, who identifies as a, quote, proud member of Kansas City's LGBTQ community, posted the letter she wrote to her father on Facebook. She wrote in part, "I would respectfully ask that you think deeply prior to sponsoring any legislation," adding, "Legislation which reeks of utter disrespect toward anyone actively striving to make the lives of others more difficult is beneath you. I love you, I always will, in spite of your flaws. I cannot, however, condone your cruel actions. Shame on you." And according to the newspaper The Mercury, Hyland is now working to remove his name from the bill.